You can make Halloween slime for your kids all within a couple of minutes. So first, gather your supplies. You'll want to start with a bowl and 1 bottle of regular school glue. Then you're going to add your baking soda. So we're going to add 1½ teaspoons of baking soda and mix that well. I'm also using a disposable spoon here so that I can throw it away later, and you can also use a disposable bowl if you want. Now you want to add your food coloring. So you can add any type of food coloring that you like. I'm going to add orange because I'm going to make like a pumpkin party favor for Halloween. And then comes the magic. So you want to add saline solution. So we're adding 3/4 teaspoon of saline solution, and then we'll just mix that well. And the glue mixture will start to pull together a slime almost immediately. Once it gets too sticky to stir, then you'll want to knead it with your hands. You can add a little bit of saline solution to your hands if you have a problem with it sticking, and you can also add a 1/4 teaspoon more to the mixture if you find it too sticky to work with. So once you knead it and you get it the consistency you want, you can remove it from your bowl, and then you can add it to a party favor if you wish. So here we're adding it to a small mini mason jar to make a pumpkin party favor for Halloween. So to complete that party favor, we're going to cut a felt leaf. So you can just freehand a leaf shape out of any felt with a pair of scissors, and then hot glue on a cork and a leaf for your pumpkin, and then just tie on some raffia and cut it to size. So you can make as many or as few of these as you want for Halloween party favors, and I'm sure the kids will absolutely love them. So make some Halloween slime today.